So I want to walk you through how to set up an image or a logo in the footer of a Google Doc. Very similar to what I have here on the screen. I'm actually going to remove this footer so we can start with a blank template. And it's actually pretty easy here. If you go into Insert, Page Element, and just add a footer, what a lot of people don't realize is I'm in the footer section. All these controls up here, they still apply to the footer section. So with the footer section selected, I'm going to go to Insert, Image. I'm going to upload from my computer. And now I'm going to click this image and I'm going to resize it to how big I want it. And you can see that that image is now added to the footer section of this document. Now, if I want to tweak the image, I would double click it and get all of this over here. I'm actually going to put some text. My blog is called Smart Home Starter. That's what the SHS is in the channel name. So I'm just going to put that there. That is our logo. Let's make this a little bit bigger. And I can now begin to style this. So double click this again and let's go over to size. So if I wanted to change the size, lock your aspect ratio if you're working with the logo so that it stays in the right aspect ratio. If you want to change the angle, you can do that here. If you want to change how the text wraps around it, you can choose from all of these different options here. Break text is a good one because it just stacks it. But for this one, I'm going to just keep it in line. And I'm going to go down to, actually, no, let's do one of these, the position one. So what I like to see is things centered. So I'm just going to move this Y up a couple. I'm just going to eye it. You can see that that is now centered. And now this text, this is cool. Again, all these controls work inside. So I'm just going to choose one of these and you can see that it's updated it. The last thing I'll do is change the color of the text, which I'm going to use the dropper tool, go into the logo, and we're just going to grab this green. And there it is. So that is how you're going to add an image to your footer in Google Docs. The process is going to be the exact same for adding an image to the header. Just real quick, page elements, put in your header. Grab your image, upload from computer, resize it, and do whatever you need to do. Here. Oh, I should also note that we can center it. We can move it to the left so we can place it wherever we want inside of the header. And to just get back to editing the header, just double click in the area. Same with the footer, just double click and you will be able to edit there. So super easy video, guys. I hope this helps. If it does, if you could, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.